Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the Nutribullet. Should you buy one? So this is going to be a super short review. I want to share with you my experience regarding the Nutribullet 600 watts. So I especially love Dole frozen fruit for smoothies. This bag that I showed you is especially frozen fruit for your Nutribullet. So here's my Nutribullet right here. And I've already put my fruit in the cup and I put it on top of the blender. And so you press down and then it should blend. But as you guys see here, my Nutribullet is of course not blending. So the whole purpose of me purchasing this Nutribullet was for a variety of different reasons. Because it is an extractor for your for your daily servings of fruit and veggies. I love how it is supposed to break down the toughest ingredients for the smoothest smoothies. And I love that price wise it's extremely affordable. So you guys, I decided to go in again because I was making 2 smoothies. I'm pouring my fruit into the cup as you guys can see. And I'm not going to get into what the mixture of fruits are, but I've done that. I went back in and I replugged up my Nutribullet. It does plug into a wall. And now I'm locking my cup in place so that it can blend. And then you see what my Nutribullet is doing. It does a few blends and then it stops. Then I have to go in and I have to shake it to get it to blend. So this normally goes on for about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I notice my cup will also leak. And smoothie bits get all into that little black and gray part that you see. And I have to clean it out. So here I am again. I'm shaking it to get it to blend. You guys can see it finally starting to blend. This is just absolutely ridiculous. I do apologize for the lighting, you guys. I'm sorry. It was cloudy this day. I tried to get my little lamp, didn't work. But this is what I ended up with. This is the mess that I told you about that happens. This is a no-go for me. It's definitely not worth 50 bucks. If I'm using this wrong, let me know. If you guys have a Nutribullet, share your experience. Again, this is a no-go. Smooches. Mwah.